Okay, so we saw the tools here, starting from direct selling. These are the tools for non-store retailing, where we don't go to the store and purchase the product. Either we buy it online or we order it through phone. There are many other ways to buy such products. So those are the major products we'll have to check upon. So the first was direct selling. In direct selling, we were getting the people to home. Okay, these salesmen used to come to every door to door. They used to come, demonstrate the product and sell the product. So they used to convince customers to buy their products. That was direct selling. After that came catalog and direct mail. Here what they were doing is, in catalog and direct mail, catalogs are the pictures, like you get those information from Domino's Pizza, Pizza Hut, Swiggy, and many other online apps, or LIC brochures, ICICI bank details, HDFC bank details, bank account details. Okay, all these are catalog. Here we will see the information on the piece of paper. If we like, we will only give them a call, because every catalog will have a communication uh, mentioned, maybe their email ID or phone number, any of that will be mentioned. Then direct mail, they will be sending us promotional mails from all of these websites, so that will be direct mail. So here also we are not going anywhere to the store at any point of time. Then we went on and understood what is vending machine, kiosk and cart. So vending machine are those machines. Okay, vending machines are those machines where you will have to keep the snacks, and if you put a coin into the vending machine, you will be able to get the food product. So these are few examples of catalog. And coming on to the vending machine, so these are examples of vending machine and kiosk. So the one picture onto your left is the vending machine, where you can buy snacks at any point of time. But the only problem with that is the stock will get over very quickly and you have to keep refilling them. Then the other picture onto the right is the video kiosk, where you can buy the movie tickets or platform tickets without others' help. There is no human involvement. A video will be shown with the options, like your ATM machine. How do you operate your ATM machine? That is also a type of kiosk. So we are using that and we will do our job. Then cart. Cart is all that you find near your home, where we will be buying everyday fruits, vegetables, dresses, pots, plants, whichever they get. So all that can be sold on cart. So cart plays a very major role in a place like India, because we have lot of people who belong to middle income class and lower income class people. So they use these carts to do their business. It's not only of selling fruits, vegetables, they also sell food items. So such food items are also very, very famous in India. Then going on to multi-level marketing, this is also known as network marketing, pyramid selling and referral marketing. Here, the salesman will not only get commission, but also will get extra money for joining a new employer. Suppose you are into the company, you are gonna get your friend also into the company. So you will be getting your commission. Apart from that, you will also get some money for joining your friend into the business. So likewise, the network will grow on. So your friend is gonna get his or her friend and join into the business, and their friends, like this known people will be into the business link, and that is called as network marketing. So here you can see lot of products, companies who do this multi-level marketing. Few to name are Amway, Tupperware, Herbalife, Oriflame. This is into cosmetic. Then Amway has all the customer products. Hindustan Unilever also. Tupperware has all your food graded, very good plastic products. Royal Life into furniture. So like this, you have lot of companies. So they sell every variety of product to the people. So it is purely on commission basis. When people join business, they have to make an investment. So that is also very, very important. So you get your friend also is supposed to get some money along with him to the company, do the investment. Later, he can take back that investment in the form of profits. So that is multi-level management. Now let's go on and see the next part, that is tele-shopping. Very, very interesting concept. So tele-shopping is also known as direct response television shopping, DRTV. So what do they do in that? Let's see. It's a network where products such as kitchen and household articles, electronic and computer items, weight reducing machines, skin cream, hair growth oil, toys, dresses, Vastu and Lucky Stones, etc., are sold with a live demonstration on TV during a scheduled TV programs, and at end flashing a telephone number. So we have all seen such teleshopping ads where you will find you can reduce your weight within 1 week, within 3 days, 10 minutes. They went on to say seconds also. And you can find lot of kitchen appliances, easy vegetable chopper, easy grinder, even to cut small fruits. You have different things. To take out the peel of a vegetable, you have different instruments. Then for toys, dresses, lot of offers on dresses, hair growth oils, where they claim that the hair will grow back within 1 week. Okay, and skin creams, your tan will go away, pimples will go away. So they have a lot of things like this which keeps coming. Okay, so they do a live demonstration on TV, and then they are gonna give a phone number for you to contact them. So that is known as tele shopping. So it's a direct marketing channel at zero level, wherein marketer interact with consumer on one-on-one basis. It motivates the consumer to take prompt action. So the way they speak, the way they portray the product or make sure the product looks to you very, very attractive. Okay, so it is even though it's a very small product, let's say they're selling one spoon. Okay, even for that spoon also, they make it such beautiful marketing strategy that everybody is motivated to buy the product. Okay, then the information provided in the tele-shopping network about the products are infomercial. Okay, so this is important. Please understand infomercial. Okay, this is a new word. Now, what is this infomercial? The combination of information and commercial. So they are giving you information that we have a product which can be used for particular purpose. Let's say, for example, they are selling weight reducing machine, or you get that slim belt. Okay, so they're selling a slim belt. Now in that scenario, they are giving you an information saying, see, you can also reduce your weight. Apart from that, they will also say you, see, you have to use this product. So they're promoting a product along with the information. Apart from that, they'll give you so much of information. Too much of weight will cause this disease, that disease. They have lot of things to talk about. But apart from all that, what is a combination of information as well as commercial? Both are being considered. Then these infomercials featured on TV claims to provide desired and miraculous results. Few of them, they show too much of results. Okay, few products. That is what they portray out, but we don't know exactly how the response will be for the products. So these are few of the features of teleshopping. Let's see some more. Under this method of selling, the marketer buy time slots on popular channels that have high TRP. This TRP, okay, this rating, what they see, the TRP, watching the television or watching the particular show, that is playing like anything in today's scenario. How do they consider? Suppose, take for example, there is a very, very famous movie. Okay, now in that famous movie, when the famous movie is going on, in our famous serial or series is going on, at that time, if you put the ad or if you put your advertisement, people will surely watch the advertisement. Okay, if not, what we do, we usually change to a different movie or to different serial when there is advertisements going on. So whenever there is a high TRP, suppose let's say it's a live program. Okay, in a live program, you're waiting for your favorite celebrity to come. But in between, you see this advertisement. You will still sit and watch. Okay, so they buy the time slots. The more they buy the time slots, the more the number of times the advertisement will be repeated. The time slots may be from 1 minute to 1 hour. So any time slots you can buy. Even less than 1 minute also, they will be buying the time slots. The 30 seconds, 60, 30 seconds, 50 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds will become a minute. Okay, so 1 minute to 1 hour, where detailed information about the product is provided with live demonstration and real testimonials. You can find such things even on YouTube, right? You will find Udemy. Udemy is an online course platform where you can learn anything by subscribing to the courses. Then edX, you have something called TEDx also. All these are online platforms to learn a lot of new concepts. Okay, so they will buy the time slots before the video and they will put their ads. Each and every product are given separate product code and separate call centers are set up in various cities. Suppose if they are selling the product, if they are selling the spoon from Madhya Pradesh, so you are in Bangalore and you watch that. Now you want to buy that spoon. So what you will have to do is they will give you a different number for Bangalore. So you have to call the Bangalore customer care and give your order so that the product will be delivered. Viewers who are interested in buying the products may call the telephone numbers of the nearest call center for further inquiries and place the order. So this tele shopping, now also many people who are at home, they buy under tele shopping, but many of them avoid nowadays because you have online uh, other websites. Okay, so this is tele shopping. Did you all understand tele shopping? Anybody has doubt in those two slides? Can you all please leave it in chat if you have understood? Okay, great. Now, this teleshopping, this is one of the example of teleshopping where this person is selling a mobile phone. Okay, so if you see the screen here, it's talking about how many payments you can make. Okay, 3 payments EMI you can make here, and he's giving the features of the phone. All these are features of the smartphone, and this is the price for. This is in euros. Okay, this is in euros. That's a different currency, and here again there are features of the phone and there is a phone number here. Okay, so there is a phone number given, there is a website given. If you want to order, you can order the phone. So these are the summarization of the tele shopping, but we will see a live tele shopping happening. Okay, I'm going to show you one of the video of live tele shopping which is happening. Let's just watch that. Okay. Okay, so this is live tele shopping happening. Um, I'm just gonna continue with this, and I hope everybody is able to listen or hear the volume. Okay, you're not able to hear the volume. Just a second. Let me check. Okay, so that was the video. Okay, I will be sharing the link of the video also, so for you to go through it later. I think there was some problem with the video clarity and the volume and all that. I think at least you got an idea how the selling happens. Okay, this is a whole day program. Okay, their work is only to talk, 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 and talk about the product, sell the product, make sure the products are sold well. Okay, at least did you get an idea how the teleshopping goes on? Can you please leave it in chat? Yeah, great. So I will be sharing the video link of the teleshopping also, so you can check out and understand it better. Okay, now let's go on. Let's continue. Let's go to the next topic, that is advantages of teleshopping. Now, what does this teleshopping gives us as an advantage? It creates awareness of new and innovative products. So you have lot of products when it comes to teleshopping. You have um, let's take for example the slime. Okay, slime you would have heard about, where people play. Okay, where kids play, everybody, even teenagers, even you people would have played with slime. Okay, what that you do is just do time pass with it, with playing. So that's an innovative product. You get those slime with glitter powders, plain slime with lot of products inside it. So all this are to be considered as innovative products. Apart from that, there are many stainless steel utensils with plastic lid, glass utensils with stainless steel lid. So there is a lot of combinations in the kitchen utensils, and also lot of food processors. Okay, if you want to get juice, you have a juicer. If you want to bake, you have a different types of oven. Then if you want to mix up and make some pulp or ice cream, there's a different type of machine, whatnot. You have so many variety. Okay, that is innovative products. Then right products can be purchased just sitting at home. Sometimes you will require lot of products, right products, which will be required at home. Okay, so here what is going to happen is, you would see a product and you think, yes, this will be useful for me at home, so you will buy the product. For example, you can buy a computer table. Okay, something, I think you might have heard about table mate. Okay, this table mate is good for everybody at home. Like you can adjust the size, or you can keep heavy things or light things. If you think that is useful, you can buy sitting at home only. It turns passive buyers into active buyers. People who don't buy online at all, okay, they will also be encouraged to buy in the teleshopping. It has wide reach. Why wide reach? Because it is uh, given the ads are given through television, so many people will watch the ads. It motivates the viewers to buy by giving them special offers if they place the order immediately. Now, if you see that the video which we saw, or if you just see here, it says if you order immediately, you can pay the amount in 3 payments. Okay, if you order late, you will have to pay it very soon. So these are the features you would get. Now, apart from only phone, he will be providing some memory card, or headset, or that's what, headphones, or some extra thing will be given. Always there will be offers on tele shopping. So those are the advantages. Then coming to disadvantages. So this is where tele shopping actually went for a toss after some time. Before, there was a complete channel called tele shopping, where they used to show lot and lot of products, and people used to buy lot and lot of products. But slowly what happened, the major reason is, there are a lot of duplicate products. So people started sending duplicate products in the place of original products. So that is where teleshopping went for a toss. Now not more people will buy from teleshopping. So there are a lot of duplicate products which were sold in the market, which are very, very cheaper. The prices are high in teleshopping networks. So when compared to the shop, the prices are little high, because they have to do the packaging, marketing, selling, distribution, all that will be considered. So it feels like the prices are higher in the teleshopping networks. Then viewers have lost confidence in some products such as weight loss equipment, hair oil, removal of unwanted hair cream, improved hearing devices. Now these are some of the products where teleshopping played a major role. Like if you apply a cream, you will turn from black to white. Okay, so and if you apply this hair oil, the hairs will grow very long. If you don't have hairs at all, also you will get hairs. Then you can lose the weight within 1 week, within 15 days. Okay, such products did not work for 95% of the people. Not even 95, more than that, 98% of the people it did not work. So many of them lost the confidence because they had invested money but they did not see the results. So that is where they lost the confidence. It focuses on metro cities only and neglects town and semi-rural areas. Why city only? Easy to deliver the product, so that is why city. And they neglect other small towns and semi-rural areas because they will not be able to give the products to outskirts of the city, so that is why they don't focus there. Some viewers switch on and off the TV or change the channel as they don't show any interest. Many of them don't show any interest because they, first of all, there is too much of information given and they repeat the same information which will annoy many television viewers, so they will lack interest. Then lack of awareness among the people. Okay, so there many people do not know what products are available outside, so there's a lot of lack of awareness, which product where to use, which brand is best, which brand has good value, all that is important to know about. So those are the disadvantages of teleshopping. So we saw the advantages also, we saw the disadvantages also. In today's world, you have few people, a few channels which are running teleshopping really well. For example, Star. Okay, you get that Star Plus. Okay, the same company has a shopping channel called CJ Alive. Okay, so that is the shopping channel, and one more channel is Naptol, Naaptol. Okay, so naptol.com. There also you get lot of online shopping, sorry, teleshopping being done. You can check out those videos. I will just share those links later so you can check out on them. So those are teleshopping. I hope everybody understood teleshopping. Anybody has doubt in the teleshopping? Did you all understand the concept? Can you please leave it in the chat? Okay. Now coming to everybody's favorite, online shopping. We love to do online shopping because we get a lot of offers. We have big billion days. We have big uh, shopping festivals. There are so many things which happen. Okay, so let's see what is online shopping. Electronic shopping is a retail format in which the retailer and customer communicate with each other through interactive electronic network. Okay, we communicate with the actual retailer through Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal. There are many websites. Okay, these are few famous websites. So we use this apps or websites as the platform and we communicate through them saying, so I am in need of a dress or I'm in need of a new shirt. So please deliver the new shirt to my home. So that is how we interact through apps. Okay, let's see. After an electronic dialogue between the retailer and customer, the customer can order merchandise directly through the interactive network or by phone, and the merchandise is typically delivered to the customer's home. So here what we are going to do, we will go through the complete electronic dialogue. Dialogue is nothing but the catalog. Okay, you will see a lot of options on these websites, right? So we are going to watch all that. We're going to select one of the product and we are going to order. Once we order, that will be delivered home directly. You need not go anywhere to purchase the product again. So that will be delivered home directly. Okay, the bandwidth of the internet connection into most household limits the interactivity and amount of quality of information that can be presented. This is the only problem that we are facing, that is the internet connection. Sometimes if the internet connection is not really well, these websites will act a little cranky. They will not be able to show you the images. They will not be able to show you the full information about the product. So that is the only problem. But then when you have good information, sorry, good internet, you will get all the information. Few of the examples: Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, Snapdeal, Myntra, Shein. You have so many websites today. You name it. You have Tata Click adding up. Then you have India Blues. I think that there are so many websites for online shopping, and online shopping is the trend nowadays because every month they have offer. Every month starting they have offer. Month ending, festivals, especially in India. Festivals. We love festivals because we get a lot of offers. So it has come to that extent. So those are online shopping. Let's see what are the issues about shopping on the internet. So we always love shopping on internet. Even though we don't buy, we keep checking out what is the latest fashion that is there on the online and all that. But let's just see what are the issues of shopping online. Entertainment and social experiences. So we sometimes what happens is the review of the product will not be good, or the seller would not have given you the good product. So certain social experiences will happen. Entertainment, of course, everybody gets entertainment in checking out different types of products, different types of colors, for different offers. Everything can be checked upon. Safety, nobody can assure how safety the products are when it is sold online. See, in India, there is always one understanding in people which has grown, that always you have to go touch the product, know how the product is, thoroughly examine the product and buy. Okay, including your vegetables, fruits, or meat, that is your chicken, mutton, anything, or clothes, utensils, even your car, two-wheeler, everything you have to go check and buy. Electronic goods also. So we don't prefer buying it on internet. But nowadays Indians have also improved a lot to order, because all these online shopping has the option called as return. Okay, just because they have the option called return, many of them buy it from internet now. Ordering and getting merchandise, for many of them that ordering process is complicated. So what they do is, first of all, they will check the product, then you have to put that into cart, then you have to click on buy option, then you will have debit card, credit card, or cash on delivery option. If you click on debit card or credit card, fill the details, put the OTP, then only the order will take. You have to give your proper address. So there is a lot of procedures to be done, which is disturbing for many of them. So that procedure itself people don't like. So they say, instead of that, it is good for me to go out and buy the products here only. So ordering and getting merchandise is little difficult. Then assisting in screening alternatives. This is a major headache for everybody who shop online. Why? Because you find more than one product to be good. Let's say, for example, you wanted to buy a nice cotton shirt. Now, cotton shirt, you will see one in white color, and let's say you see one in blue color. Now, both of them look very, very good. Now, it's very difficult for you to decide which shirt to buy for that particular time. But your budget is only for one shirt. Okay, you cannot buy more than one shirt. So, in that scenario, screening alternatives. Screening means deciding on which one to buy. So screening alternatives is a little difficult, but still there is some help here and there given. Okay, they will give you help like, okay, this shirt is the best seller. Okay, this has more reviews, this has more ratings. Okay, like that they're going to help you out. Then providing information to evaluate merchandise. So they will give all the information about the product. Every product information compulsorily will be given below. What is the size of the product, length of the product, width of the product, how thick the product is, what material, if it's a cloth, what is the material of the product, which size is that dress or shirt. Everything, every information will be given. Then cost of merchandise. Many think online they sell at high prices. So cost of merchandise is also an issue about the shopping. So these are the few topics on issues of shopping on internet. Okay, so these are the major things. Did you all understand this slide? Issues about shopping on internet? Anybody has doubt here? Please leave it in chat. Okay, so let's just see the advantages of online shopping. Everybody knows this advantages. Let's just quickly brush through it. It provides 24 into 7 services. Many offers on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and all starts at midnight 12. Okay, they say from today night 12 o'clock, Great Indian Shopping Sale is starting. Okay, so 12 a.m. it will start. A new Apple phone will be released midnight. A new Vivo phone, OnePlus phone will be released at midnight. Why they do that? They provide 24 into 7 services. They want to attract customers so that they buy the products at all levels. So that's why 24 into 7 service. Then shopping at a comfort of home. You can not only home, you can sit anywhere. If you just have your own internet and in the phone and one smartphone with you, you can shop anywhere in the world to buy the products. It facilitates comparison of products. This is a good advantage because you can always compare two products, okay, or more than two products also you can compare. So that is the comparison of products. Discount coupons are available online. So you will have a coupon code, or they, let's say they will give you an offer of buying one and another one will be free. Or if you buy a let's say if you buy 2 to 3 shirts, one packet of handkerchief or one packet of socks is free. You have a lot of offers coming up like that. Combo offers. Okay, those are called combo offers. So at discount coupons, combo offers are also available. A lot of stores and products within the click of button. So here what happens, one app, you can select the category, you can go on and buy any product that you want. So Amazon or Flipkart or any other website for that matter has all the available products, required products for the person. Now you will get vegetables, fruits, you'll get daily essentials for home, groceries, your dresses, male, female, both. Okay, no gender difference. You get all the good collection of cloth or textiles. Then you get kitchen utensils and appliances, gym equipments, house decoration, stationery, what is required for schools, what is required for colleges, or if you require any utility things or electrical appliances or electrical tools, everything is available in just a click of button. You just have to open the app and type whatever you want and you will get it. Then privacy is maintained. Privacy is much maintained in online than in your teleshopping, because when you log into your particular profile, that particular profile will not be seen by your other customers. Okay, they maintain the privacy. If I am shopping, my orders will only be taken separately. If the other customer is shopping, that customer data will not be shown to me. So privacy is maintained. It saves a lot of time. The this is 100% right, because today you can in every product you can see the online shopping done. Now during these lockdown also, there are Swiggy, you can see Big Basket, Grofers, even Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, everything delivering essentials. Okay, they are still delivering essentials, which means you can happily sit at home and order. Even Domino's are also doing it, but they only give selected products like Ashirwad Atta and few of the Ashirwad spices. But Swiggy and all are giving essentials apart from their food delivery. Okay, so they have got tied up with the organization where they are giving a lot of essentials to people whoever orders. Review of other users are provided. You want to buy a product, first check the rating and review. This is what everybody says, which means others who has bought the product and used the product will be able to give you a better picture about the product. So those are reviews. Commercialization of interest. So if you have any business idea, you can put that forth into Amazon or Flipkart. See, Amazon and Flipkart always encourages new ideas and new business. So if you see on Amazon or Flipkart, you can see an ideas tab. Okay, you can put forth your idea there and they will encourage you to do your business. Okay, so these are advantages of online retailing. So hope everybody understood until here, until online retailing advantage.